Welcome to our detailed tour of this beautifully designed two-story house, spanning an area of 48 feet by 38 feet. Let's explore each floor. As we enter the ground floor, we find a spacious living area that includes a drawing room and a dining room, perfect for family gatherings and meals. Moving forward, we have two bedrooms. One of these bedrooms boasts an attached bathroom, providing privacy and convenience. For guests, there's an additional open toilet. The ground floor also features a well-equipped kitchen, ready for all your culinary adventures. One of the highlights of this ground floor is the ample parking space. It can comfortably accommodate up to 3 cars, making it a perfect fit for families with multiple vehicles. Ascending to the first floor, we find it divided into 2 identical portions, each a complete living unit in itself. Each portion features 2 bedrooms, providing personal space for family members or guests. The kitchen in each portion is designed to cater to all culinary needs. It's a space where meals are prepared and can be customized with modern appliances and storage units for a seamless cooking experience. In addition to the attached bathroom in one of the bedrooms, there's a separate toilet available in each portion. This can be used by guests or other family members, ensuring that the facilities are always accessible when needed. There is a drawing room in each portion that can be used for various purposes. It can serve as a formal sitting area for guests, a place for family members to relax, or even as a space for children to play. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area in each portion is where family meals take place. It's a space dedicated to eating and can accommodate a dining table and chairs. This house, with its thoughtful design and spacious layout. Stay tuned for more detailed architectural tours.